Welcome to Synthetic Oil Protection. I'm your host Eben. Today we're here with Sakara and we're working on her Honda Civic. We're showing step by step how to get it to run better than brand new. That's right, better than brand new with the filter, the fuel additive, the engine flush, the Signature Series oil. We're going to be giving her a fishing pole and showing her how to fish. And now it's time for engine transmission flush. That's right, it's the same detergent that goes in both. Very thin detergent. This is going to help loosen sticky valves, lifters. And I'm going to go ahead and grab a funnel here. Going right into the motor oil. That's where you put all your engine oil. And then you push down in the middle, taco and peel. It's like that little teeny plastic flap, push down in the middle. Push down in the middle. And then it'll peel up on the edge and then taco and then peel. Yep. Gotcha. Perfect. And this is going to help with sticky rings. See the yep, perfect. This is a very thin detergent. Help with oil consumption issues. If you're burning oil, keep your tire crankcase and try to get a lot of that old mineral burned oil, which happens when you run synthetic oil. It's actually not synthetic, it's actually a synthetic blend. An oil manufacturer can call a full synthetic when it's 25% synthetic or more. Today, we're getting all that old burnt mineral oil out, getting 100% synthetic in. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. That way you can come back and watch this whole love-making process. I promise you're gonna love it. Time to go and start her up. Let's do it. Now we're gonna let her idle for 15 minutes. And now it's time for the PI Performance Improver. He's gonna go ahead and put that in. This right here is an entire fuel system cleaner in a bottle. Cleans the valves, injectors, carbon deposits inside the combustion chamber. On a car with old, dirty injectors, this can do as much as 4 miles per gallon average improvement. Shove the whole bottle in, stick it in, whole thing. And this goes in every 4,000 miles. Will allow your engine to have less pre-ignition, less oil burning because it cleans your exhaust valves so they seal better. And also extend the life of your catalytic converter. You don't need any special tools. If you don't get your hands dirty and change your oil, you can still stick this in every 4,000 and get that bump in performance. Think of this as an injector. This right here would be a dirty injector, no atomization. This right here would be a clean injector, lots of atomization. That's where you have all these little water droplets between each air. That allows you to burn more fuel. That PI Performance Improver gas additive will get your injectors to atomize. Better power, better fuel mileage. You got it. All right. And just hold on to that bolt. Yep. And make sure the oil goes into the pan.
Yeah. Oh, yep.
Yep. Perfect. All right. Perfect.
Really
yep.
Here.
You can just set that there. Mm-hmm. And there we are. Awesome. So that's the old Dart Charco. Hmm. So that's your first time, right?
Yep.
There we go.
Seeing it in action.
Yeah. So it's easy. Once you learn, it's easy. That's the fishing pole. So you use the fishing pole to take off the bolt. And that's it. All right, we got our filter coming off. Nice and hot, right?
Yep.
Good thing you got the big old grizzly bear rubbers. And just remember it, once it's gonna let go and then just don't drop the filter.
Yeah. It takes a minute, huh?
Oh yeah. It's a knack. But once you do it in your sleep. She's getting there. She's getting there.
Okay.
There we are.
Yep.
So that's our oil filter housing right there.
Woo.
Time to prime our AMSOIL oil filter. This filter right here is good for 15,000 miles or 1 year of severe service. Filters at 99% efficiency at 20 microns. Traps 4 times more contaminants than a cellulose paper filter. Keeps these little teeny weeny tiny wear-causing particles called carbon. They're stronger than steel. That's like carbon fiber. And that stuff's floating around your motor, wearing it out. So we're gonna keep it out of the oil and catch it in here. Go ahead and crack that open and go ahead and just start pouring it in here. Okay. And this is the 100% synthetic liquid gold. See the liquid gold flow right now. And just start pouring. Okay. Keep going, get it all over the place. Keep going. Good, that's good. Nice and bubbly. And we always say in the channel, if it ain't fun, it ain't messy. If it ain't messy, it ain't fun. That's why the wetter, the better. If you keep your vehicles well lubed, your vehicles will always be happy. Rotating it in the media so it's all saturated. Now we'll just wipe her up. You can put that lid on, you're good. The Niagara Falls in the can. Spray the filter and the oil pan. Go ahead and spray her. Good. And hit the pan. Beautiful. There we go. Bye to the dark charcoal. Tell us, how many miles has this been in this car?
That's a good question.
That's a good thing we don't know. How about what type of oil was this?
Say that again?
Do you know where you got the oil changed last time?
I believe Firestone.
Nice.
I think.
And how much did you pay?
Like $80 maybe. I don't remember. 70, 80 bucks.
Cow.
Yeah. At least that's what I remember.
Oh my! And did they call it full synthetic blend? What did they call it?
I think full synthetic.
Good.
Yeah.
So what you're looking at here, folks, is a synthetic blend. It's very deceiving. They can call it full synthetic when it's only 25% synthetic. It's that time to put in the liquid gold, 100% synthetic. And like the Olympics, we're passing the liquid gold torch to our little angel here with her car. She's gonna get a chance to see what it feels like. We're putting in about 3.9 quarts into this beautiful Honda motor. My favorite of all the economy cars. My all-time favorite is the Honda. It's too easy to work on. Too good a gas mileage, too economical, too good to be true. And give us a tall pour. Be bold.
Be bold.
Bring it up. Look at that. Look at the liquid gold.
Whole thing, right?
Oh yeah, the whole thing. Oh yeah. All right, it's my turn. It's that time for the 100% synthetic liquid gold. This right here is the very first motor oil to be API certified synthetic in the United States. It's 100% synthetic, good for up to 1 year, 25,000 miles. On one oil change of normal driving, 15,000 miles of severe service. And that's what we do here in Las Vegas, city driving. This car is gonna have a whole new life. Going for the test drive. But first, she became a preferred customer today, and she got the oil and lube at, well, the best value. Not only did she do that, but she got the latest promotion. That is the AMSOIL 8-way, like a little pen. And this sucker, I can't even, my hands are so sweaty with my rubbers on, I can't even handle the plastic. But it's like a little pivot thing. And you got your big Phillips like that. You got your flathead like this. You got your little guy for like little glasses, and you can keep this in your glove box. And that's where we're gonna put it, in her glove box. And then we're gonna drive right now. Let's do it. See what Sakura thinks, right? Sakura, right?
Sakura.
It's Japanese.
Japanese, yeah. It's smooth for sure.
Nice. Nice.
Like no other commenter.
Yeah.
No other comments.
Yeah.
No, it feels smooth.
Nice.
Yeah.
How many years have you had this little angel?
I bought this off my brother
Nice.
2 years ago, maybe. So I've only been driving it for 2 years.
Cool.
Yeah, since 2022. So, but he's had this for a few more years. So, yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And you're happy with the car?
Yeah. Yeah, it's been getting me around.
What was that transmission thing? What was the final fix on that? Because
Honestly,
she called me and she goes, I put it in drive and it doesn't move. I've never seen a Honda do this my whole life. Did you find out what it was?
when I couldn't put it in drive, well, you fixed the problem, right?
Well, the time when it went in the drive and it didn't move.
Yeah.
What was it?
Oh, that. Yeah. Well, so the mechanic had said, well, apparently he had tried to swap the transmission out already, and then it had to do with the PCM. The main issue was the PCM.
Oh, all right.
And all of the fault codes.
So let us know in the comments if you had a thing with a PCM on a Honda Civic like this. This completely blew my mind. I worked at a Honda dealer for 11 months, driven all these cars. I've never seen a Honda do that, where you go from park to drive and the car doesn't move.
Yeah.
That was crazy.
Yeah. They were doing me dirty for sure for like 2 months.
We're gonna fix that. So if you are out there and you don't want to work on your own car, you can take this oil, have your mechanic do it for you, And now you know how to do it.
Yep.
How's she running?
Great. It's real smooth.
You're happy?
Yeah.
And how was your first experience doing an oil change?
It was good. It was good. I learned a lot. So yeah, thanks to you.
All right.
Appreciate it.
So yeah, we got her out on the road. We'll go back in about 3,000 miles. We're gonna change the filter, do a second bottle of PI cleaner, and we're gonna get all that old carbon buildup out. If you wanna see more about cleaning inside your engine, check out this video here on Power Foam. That's a foam that goes in the intake, cleans your engine. We'll see you back next time right here on Synthetic Oil Protection. Cheers to protection, protection, protection.